non-iodized crystal salt. It is commonly known as cleaning and cooling agent. Our ancestors were using that to clean the house floorings and clean the body energy aura. So, keeping a glass bowl full of crystal salt, non-iodized particularly, in attached toilets will clean the harmful bacteria and viruses from the atmosphere and also stabilizes the temperament of the people, those who sleep in that bedroom. But don't forget to change that salt twice a week. In present time, lot of people those travel in AC vehicles are working in centralized AC atmosphere or using AC in their houses are suffering by suffocation issues that will impact badly on their mindset and behavior. So, fostering a 10 to 15 years aged fig or ficus family bonsai plants near windows or in balcony area will reproduce the fresh oxygen. Our ancestors used people and bonsai plants in traditional medicine for about 50 types of disorders including asthma, diabetes, diarrhea, epilepsy, gastric problems, inflammatory disorders, infections and sexual disorders, etc. etc. Because of congested mindset, lot of families are facing issues in relationships. Placing an aquarium with 4 to 5 jellyfishes at living area is an best idea. Jellyfishes are typically described as hypnotic due to their graceful movements and in some cases beautiful bioluminescence. Their movements could be linked to ballet dancers because of the calm flow of their bodies and oral arms. They have such simple structures but still manage to seem majestic. They are often described as alien, which is curious because they have been on earth much longer than humans have. So, the presence of jellyfish in house will produce some occult vibes and helpful in tuning emotional nowadays levels. So many couples and children are feeling uncomfortable at staying home. The main reason for that kind of irritation is because of rebounding of thoughts. Sometimes our own mind signals will become overburdened and make us feel suppression. Later on, converts into depression. So, listening classical instrumental music like flute, sitar, veena, tabla, mrudangam, nadaswarams, etc. in a mild volume about 60 minutes at the time of sunrise and sunset will convert the rajo and tamoguna electrons into satoguna. Our ancestors followed the same procedure by using Mangalavadyam and Sangeeta kacheris in very auspicious ceremonies to keep cordiality between the people. In many houses, the elderly people and small kids are becoming too much adamant and ferocious day by day. Unfortunate thing is that even they doesn't aware themselves about that deadly conversions in their behaviors. Maybe the colors of window screens, curtains and sofa sets are impacting on their mindsets. The influence of colors on behaviors of animals have been proven scientifically. Of course, we humans also belongs to the animal species and have the same senses. So using only mild colors or colors according to their blood groups in window screens, curtains and sofa sets will keep their emotional frequency levels in control and bring harmony between family members. For example, most of A positive blood group people like shades of orange. Most of B positive blood group people like shades of green. Most of O positive blood group people like shades of pink and red. Most of AB positive blood group people like shades of sky blue, ivory and white. So select accordingly and use them.